About to enter the west alley.
Copy. Bravo 6 moving interior.
I'll get the kettle on.
Quiet.
We're working with an ultra-master team. They'll handle operations in the east after the attacks.
Trust the wolf.
You know I do. But this operation failed, so why
It
are we
did
doing
not
this?
fail. Your dead brothers made sure of that.
Take the front row.
Double the body count.
Oh, God! Shit, oh, shit!
They'll handle operations in the east after the attacks.
Trust the wolf.
You know I do. But this operation failed, so why are we doing this?
Your dead brothers made sure of that.
We were supposed to have double the body count. It's all over the flippin' telly. That's the point.
This is the United Kingdom.
Take the front row.
Anyone walks around worried that they're going to get blown up. Well, now they do. Al-Qatala is a household fucking name. We need to coordinate with the other groups. Paris, Moscow, Munich.
And the Yanks?
Soon.
Secure.
Alpha 3. Entry to the front door.
Bravo 6 moving to the first floor. Target behind the door.
X-ray down.
No! No, don't shoot! Don't kill me! Please! Fuck! No!
2 X-rays down.
Copy.
Make sure this floor's secure. First floor secure. On me. Bravo 6 moving to the second floor.
Answer the door!
Three won't get up here now.
Roger. Moving.
Bedroom clear. Get those rooms cleared. Floor secure. Right in the stairs.
I got ya.
Bravo 6 taking the third floor.
Oh, no. I will not betray the wolf.
Then let me help. I don't want to be here if you're gone.
Let me go. Just here. Let me go.
Check your shots.
Hands up! Now!
Secure him. Suck that kid up. secure. Last floor. Take point, Sergeant. One floor left, Sergeant. Locked. Try and take him alive.
Down! Get down! Get down!
Don't shoot! Don't shoot, please! They were going to kill me!
Don't move!
They
Stop!
locked me in here!
Drop him.
Just stop!
Clear. All teams, townhouse secure. Commence SSE.
Copy, boss.
Oh, fucking hell. She was going for a bloody detonator.
Good job we dropped it in.
We made the right call, sir.
We'll bet your house. We got a location on the wolf.
The attic of the Al-Qatala townhouse was a gold mine. Looks like we found the wolf. Communications from the laptop were tracked to Ramaza Hospital in Urzikstan, where the Al-Qatala leader is believed to be holed up. Farah's forces will track terror activity at the hospital, while a Marine ground force can be mobilized to advance on the complex. Echo 3-1 will capture the wolf for interrogation about the stolen Russian gas.
حتى كانوا عم يوصلوا جوا المستشفى بس هلا كرهت الامور.
ماشي خبي نعرف شو بيصير. My soldiers confirm that the hospital is under siege. Al-Qatala has taken civilians as human shields. They're protecting someone.
Or something.
Tomorrow we find out.
All clear, sister.
Hadir is my best sniper. You can rely on him. And all my fighters.
Marines want their pound of flesh. We're leading the charge on this.
I told you we would help you.
And you're keeping your word?
I don't do this to keep my word. The invaders of my country have no regard for human life. The gas kills all things, even food and our gardens. If you use these tactics, you are my enemy.
No exceptions?
None. Al-Qatala has given my people a bad name, and we have paid dearly for their crimes. I want to see the wolf punished.
I'll make sure you're at the embassy for the handoff to Price.
And you? Where will you go when this is over?
Wherever they send me.
You don't choose.
Not exactly.
Rest up. Tomorrow's a big day.
What about you and your men?
We'll be here until sunrise.
I'll cover the open corner.
The hospital is at the end of the road.
Half a click.
I'll be hoofing it with the Marines.
Echo 3-1.
Sergeant Griggs.
All day.
Call me Alex.
No locals on this one. Not my call. You Kareem?
All day.
Nice work hitting the Russians.
We share friends and enemies.
Bitfali. Bashufak.
Let's roll, Alex. Damon Dog, time to take this shit to the fan. You'll find this a target-rich environment. Watch the windows. Good guys look like bad guys around here. Shit's fucked up.
Demon 1-2, Viper 3-5.
Viper, where you at?
Viper's rolling north.
Copy. Rally at the intersection in one mic.
Solid.
Mile 6, baby!
Got trip wires in the alcove, Sergeant. Word, 3-1. Can you disarm it?
Check. On it.
Demon, ribbon's cut. Let's move. Follow the armor and stick close. Move out! Get cover! Pop smoke and flame! Up the high side! Pop smoke to cover! Get cover! MG 12-5! Watch that! Move! Enemy vehicle rolling in! That's 30 meters away! Got a visual! Cover me! Push up!
That next here won't cut it. I'm behind you, Echo. Can go.
Deck, clear! Be advised, traps on the steps. Moving to third deck.
That's the target 4. Get there and whoop some.
Clear.
Copy that. All teams rally with the convoy. Demon 1-2 to Red Hammer 7. We're taking fire from troops defending the south entrance of the hospital. Request immediate suppression. Over.
Roger, Demon 1-2. Hammer is visual on that position. Targeting acquired. Stand by for danger close.
Hold up. Overhead ordnance.
Cross out. Cross out.
Oh, if you need it, 3-1. Incoming!
Holy fucking shit!
Demon 1-2. Red Hammer 7. Target destroyed. Vector is clear. I repeat, vector is clear.
All Demon Dog, road is clear. We're agreeing to get some. Hospital lodge is our entry point. Hospital entrance is visual. Here's the short side.
Get heat on
Enemy by the entrance! Get moving! Fire on the entrance!
Got one! 20 meters out!
Move out!
Got it! Got a visual! Got one!
Lobby secure. No sign of the wolf. Demons are on the hunt.
Let's bag this son of a bitch, Griggs.
As long as we take him alive, 3-1.
Roger that.
Who the fuck is who in here?
moving! Enemy north of our position! Yeah, I see him!
Enemy to the north!
Raj, I see him!
Enemy 10 meters out!
Got one in the hallway! Cover me!
Let's move! Raj! Got a visual!
He's in the doorway! Got a target! Get moving! Got one! 20 minutes out! Got a visual! Go! Let me come! Moving! Get moving! He's in the doorway! Got the target! Get moving! He's in the doorway!
هن بالمدخل.
Get moving! Raj!
North corner, stairway!
All clear. All stations. Demons are moving to second deck. No sign of the wolf.
They're trying to keep us away from something.
That's for damn sure.
Place is a freaking morgue.
Could be an ambush.
Like some zombie shit?
Just check them. All of them.
Enter, fa'idek!
Bueno, doctor.
Sit!
Perjuni, Dekon!
Demon 3, this is 1-2. What's your status? Take point on this, 3-1.
He's got a weapon!
Clear! 1-2 to Demon 3, how copy?
Demon 3,
Shit. Find them! I got smoke grenades if you're out, Echo!
Let's move!
Raj!
Get moving!
Raj! Pop smoke and get up on them!
Enemy shooting at position!
Cover me!
Enemy NC!
Got
My fucking pleasure, Sergeant.
You got any word from Demon 3?
Nothing, Sergeant.
Get eyes in that room.
Roger.
Campsite.
Your men cannot save you. You were sent here to kill me, but you will die because of your continued bombing.
PID on the Wolf. 3 Marine hostages. He's gonna kill him. We got a breach.
Motherfuckers. Flank him from the rear. I'll take the main. Alex, take the window. Find a way around.
Copy that.
Door ahead.
Griggs, we're heading inside. Stand by. Hold.
Demon said, take this animal alive, Alex. Don't shoot him. Get him on the ground.
Always a victory.
Clear! We got you, brother man. You're all right. You good, Alex?
Good, Griggs. Omar Suleiman, you are now in custody of the Special Operations Force. Do exactly as you're told, or you're a dead man.
Hell yeah. All Demon teams, Marines are secure. Wolf is in the bag. Let's move him to the embassy.
Echo is on the 3rd deck for RV. Be advised, primary entry point is clear, but that window is rapidly closing.
Roger. Well down at 3 mics. 2-6 out.
3 minutes.
In 3 minutes, my people will be inside. They will kill all of you.
I chose to take you alive. I could still change my mind.
You have the wrong man.
Lies. Tell them what you've done.
We did not steal the gas.
Who did?
Someone very dangerous.
Where is it?
I wish I knew.
The butcher is outside. They'll burn the city if they have to.
Save yourself, daughter. Join us. Do not talk to her.
Hey, tap the brakes.
I am not your child, old man. I lead soldiers. You train killers.
But we are all killers here, no?
They're gonna breach. We gotta move now. 3-1-2-6, shots fired. Move to secure the HVI, will advise.
Copy 3-1. Bravo's on station. Reposition and prep for evac.
30 seconds.
Roger, 30 seconds.